Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to give feedback in Google Forms. This is incredibly useful if you're a teacher, trainer, or anyone who creates quizzes and surveys and wants to provide personalized responses to specific answers. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with the forms you want to work on, as this will ensure you have the proper access to all your existing forms. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms where all your previously created forms are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to give feedback on, then click on it to open it up. This brings you into the editing view where you can make changes and add those personalized touches. Now that you're inside your form, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll see several tabs there, and you want to click on the one that says Responses. This tab is where all the magic happens when it comes to reviewing submissions and providing feedback. Clicking on Responses shifts your view from editing the form itself to managing how you interact with the answers people submit. Within the Responses section, you'll notice another option called Question. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to drill down into individual questions rather than looking at responses as a whole, which is perfect for giving targeted feedback on specific parts of your form. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Use this menu to choose the exact question you want to give feedback on. This is especially helpful if your form has multiple questions, as it lets you navigate directly to the one you're interested in without scrolling through everything. Once you've selected your question, take a look at the different answer options displayed. You'll notice that next to every option, there's a button or link that says Add Feedback. Click on that. This is where you get to craft your personalized message for anyone who selects that particular answer. A text field will appear, prompting you to enter your feedback. For example, you might type something like correct, well done, if it's the right answer, or offer constructive guidance, if it's incorrect. Once you've written your feedback, click Save to lock it in. This ensures that anyone who chooses that option will see your message when they submit their form or review their results. If you have multiple questions or multiple answer options that need feedback, simply repeat this process for each one. It might take a few minutes depending on how detailed you want to be, but it's worth it for creating a more engaging and educational experience for your respondents. And that's it. You've now successfully added feedback to your Google form, making it more interactive and informative. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.